Well, it went from cautiously optimistic to enthusiastically wonderful. It was the best thing that could have happened. Barney was fantastic. All the girls that called to give me the updates, the scheduling, and what to expect next gave me plenty of time to understand the whole process and to calm down and just let the guys do their thing. So I'm very, very, very happy with the whole overall experience. Oh, well, amazingly efficient is the best way to say it. They were in and out and very, very well behaved. They certainly are professional. You could tell that they've done this a million times, so I was extremely happy. It's the best Christmas present I've ever given myself, so, you know. I've had cars in the past, but the windows have made a big difference. Our home is a little older, and the windows were upgraded to double pane glass and installed so efficiently. I think there's been a big difference in my electric bill already, and I can't wait to get the rest of them done.